Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by to the page. Page is E-24G. Right in front of me I have something that a friend of mine sent me. And this is a sneaker that came out probably months ago. It's a little late, but I'm not all about buying things as they come out. If I get them, I get them. If I don't, but again, these are sneakers that I've been wanting for a while and to review. And I'm about to do it. These are for the Air Fear of God from Nike. Design is from Jerry Lorenzo, son of a baseball manager, Jerry Manuel. And I'm gonna show them right now and let you guys know what I think. And if I can pull it off, then I'll try them on. But I've already tried them on before. Just want to show how it is. And again, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe, comment, like, of course. Alright, so again, my videos are point of view, unedited. I'm using a GoPro 7, and let's see how this goes. So, as I open it up, just so you know, somewhere around here, it says very faintly Fear of God. It's in the same color, so it's not noticeable. But right here, it says Fear of God. Just let you guys know. And along with the package, first comes this this bag from Nike. Over here it says again, Air Fear God. It's a nice quality bag. On the reverse side, it has a Nike logo. Let's go back one more time. And you can probably see it. It says Air Fear of God. Alright. So let me just bring this up over here. So it comes in this paper the same color as the box itself. And over here, these come in this bag that looks like just came, like something came from space. It was sent out from another planet. Let me just put these down for a moment, and then just do my review. This is an unsponsored video, just in case. All right, so let's go down a little bit. When I first opened these up, I will say that you always see something on video, and when you get it in hand, it's completely different. And these just are much better than what you see on video. So to kind of bring it down a little bit more. Alright, so as you can see over here in the front, toe cap area, this part over here is 3M. It's a nice leather over here. And this is all nylon. With this cage over here, it's looks like a plastic cage that surrounds it. Over here, it says Air Fear God. That's his Jerry Manuel's grandfather's military service number. Over here, you see a full Air Max unit. On the other models, it's a little bit easier to see. In the outsole, this is the bottom of the full unit. Again, this is an actual basketball sneaker. To me, again, I'm not a person who plays basketball. This is more of a lifestyle sneaker. Black is definitely the color to go with, even though those yellows out there are just amazing. In a couple moments, I'm gonna try them out As you see, the lacing system goes through here, and it has these little loops over here that go through the top of the cage, and this is how they're secured. When I look at the sneaker, I think of, for some reason, I think about Back to the Future to a certain degree. Obviously, they're not those, they're not the Air Mags, but again, though, I tried them on already. Again, over here in the back. You have a Nike logo, and also Fear of God, which he does on all his sneakers. And the right sneaker, same thing on the outside. Midsole solid over here. And again, this leather over here is a nice premium leather. Just so you can see, get a closer look of it. Again, this Nike logo is actually, it's nice and sticking out. It's not a graphic of any sort. It's actually on there. The back over here on the zipper, if I could show it. The lighting might be a little bit off. Right here, it'll say Nike on it, on this part. On the flip side, it'll say Fear of God on it. These retail for $350. Resale market, it varies depending on the seller, to be honest with you. I believe my friend got it from GOAT, as of course, you know, it's very difficult to get sneakers like these. These just always go. Others in other colors are going for, I believe, over 1,000. All right, so I'm gonna explain it. I ended up getting a true to size. Saw a lot of videos about the fitting on these. I will always say, there's only one review that I always believe that most time nails it. My advice is definitely try them on before buying them. I took a chance. Only reason I took a chance with Nike, one, it's a basketball sneaker. Two, I rarely have issues with sizing. I always get true to size with Nike. The sneakers are not the easiest, definitely not the easiest to take off. I get what everybody's saying. I believe maybe a shoehorn would help out, even though over here, and I didn't forget about this, right here it zips down. When you zip it down, let me just get this all set up again. So you have over here, you have the zipper. I would suggest holding it up here, zip it down, that way it doesn't break off. I've heard things about videos that where it's broken off. This is kind of like a heel support. And just so you know, in the back of the heel, it also has an Air Fear God. It looks like it's, I won't say embroidered, but it's pretty much stitched on. And then you have the letters, almost like a rubber material. All right, so basically, to go back, you try these on before you buy them. Unless you already have bought them before and you know the fitting, then of course, you know, that's not gonna. But if you're new and you haven't bought these before, the best thing and the most important thing I will say with these is that you will have a hard time taking them off. They're very, very comfortable. the fully stacked Air Max unit over here helps the sneaker out. As far as performance wise, I haven't heard anything about performance videos. Also, if you're wearing as a lifestyle, I haven't tried it enough yet and worn it enough to say, you know, this is actually work. But I would say, you know, maybe take it off, definitely off, of course, lower the zipper, but maybe also take them off, maybe, and not take as much time. Maybe wear it without, you know, having the zipper down. There's no rule on how to wear this. Only thing I can tell you is, as far as when it comes to these sneakers, even putting them on, it took a little bit. Definitely not, of course, not as difficult as taking these sneakers off. There has to be an easier way to take them off. But again, though, when you look at these, we don't really think about them. We still want to buy them because they're just that nice looking. As far as the black, ended up getting these. Think about it, other sneakers get dirty, something like this, you know, it's black can pick up dirt and so on and so forth, but these will be a lot easier to actually clean up. All right, so I'm gonna give it a shot now. I'm gonna try and see if I can do and put these on. Let's just put this down here for a moment. These came with extra laces. These are, looks like a